Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this Adobe Spark course. In our previous lecture, we have seen how we can create a new Instagram type of post. So let's say a graphic resource that we have created with Adobe Spark. Now in this new lecture, we are going to see how we can create a different type of graphic post. And because many of you are online marketers and entrepreneurs and online businesses and you create marketing campaigns, you probably want to know how you can create a type of ad that you can use on different types of platforms in your online marketing campaigns. Now, first things first, in the dashboard, we go again and press the plus sign. And on the plus sign, in the graphics section, we scroll down and we have the ads subsection. Okay, and from the ad subsection, for this example, we are going to choose the platform which is most popular at the moment, and that platform is Facebook. Okay, so we are going to select let's say a size template for Facebook, and we are going to select the Facebook ad type of graphic. We are waiting for the page to load, and this is how it looks like. Obviously, we are going to have different types of designs, and that's where the big advantage is, that for each type of ad we have different type of variations or templates. First of all, let's give it a name. Facebook ad template 1. Okay, and this is how it looks at the moment, the variation. If we look in the right side of the screen, we can see that we have the same menus as in the previous lecture when we have created the Instagram post. And we first of all we have the, let's say, the bigger menu, which shows us different types of layouts for our Facebook ad, and we have a couple of suggested layouts, then a simple layout, a banner type of layout, or different types of grids. As you already know, the grids basically are sectioning your picture or your template, and you can introduce more types of pictures in your template, okay, more photos. It's like a collage. Okay, the grid is like a collage. Now let's see what type of designs we have. We select design icon from the right menu, and we have different variations here. Let's scroll down. Very beautiful variations and very useful. To create a custom Facebook ad can cost you a lot of money from a graphic designer. So this is a big advantage using Adobe Spark to create free ads for Facebook. Let's scroll down to find something that we like. Let's say that we are running a marathon ad, or we like this type of template. We will select it, and this is how it will look like. The photo didn't change, obviously, because this is the photo that we have. We can replace the photo by selecting it and going and replacing the image. Okay, it's very, very simple. Now every element in this grid is editable, okay, and not just editable, we can also customize it a little, so the template doesn't have to stay exactly as it is. We can customize it a little bit. First of all, we can, let's say, customize the text. We can edit the text. As you can see, if we select it, a new type of menu appears, and you are already a little bit familiar from our previous lecture with how you can edit the text, like the size, the letter spacing, the line spacing, okay, the opacity, the order, and maybe what is most important, the type of font. Okay, so this is how we edit the text. You already know the options that we have, the shape of the text, the effects. Okay, so everything is editable. Now again, as you can see, the template that we are using is actually a grid, so we can modify this grid or this layout. Let's say that we want the text to be on a bigger type of shape. We just have to drag it. Okay, just like this. Maybe we want the, let's say, the part below to be dragged, okay, to look like a different, to have like a different layout. Or let's say that we want the image to be like smaller, okay, or just to enlarge the part of the image, the one that occupies a specific portion of our template, right? So this is how we do it. It's very, very simple. Now this is how you create a Facebook ad. Obviously the other parts are the same, like the color scheme. You can change the color scheme and you will see that the template is changed, okay, or something like this, or maybe something like this. And if we change the color scheme, we can try different variations till we find the color scheme that we like, or the color scheme which is a good fit for our business, right? The layout, you have already seen how we can use the layout. The resize, you know how we can already use the resize, so there's no point in going again for this. Basically, this is how we can create a Facebook ad template, and it works the same for every type of other template. Okay, now we may want to download the image. Just press the start download button and it's pretty much done. So again, thank you for watching this, and we are looking forward to see you in our next lecture, where we are going to discuss about how you can create a flyer.